502E, MYOB Essentials. Modify your trading terms. We're now going to have a look at setting our default payment terms for our customers. So first, click on your business name in the top right hand corner. Then click on Invoice and Quote Settings. So here in the Invoice and Quote Settings you can set your layout type, styling and themes, payment options and default email text. So we're going to click on Payment and Options. You can see the default payment terms are 30 days from invoice date. So we're going to change that to 7 days. So this will apply to all customers. And then scroll down and click Save. So you can see the payment options have been saved, and when you create an invoice for a customer, it will automatically calculate 7 days from the invoice date as the due date.